Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jason Sari. I'm a financial advisor with the Premier Client Group. On the side, I run this YouTube page and a Facebook group called Financial Education for Retirement, just to help foster financial education in anybody I can reach. But let's get into the video today on what account is most important for you to open up in 2025. Now, for 2025, there are endless options on retirement accounts, investment accounts, all that good stuff, brokerages, 401ks, IRAs, TSPs, 403bs, pensions. There's so many different options. So how in the world do you know what one is best for you? Now, guys, just as a disclosure beforehand, everything in this video is educational content. There's nothing in this video that is concrete advice. You should contact a tax, legal, or investment representative before acting on any information in this video whatsoever. So guys, let's get into it. What is the most important type of account you should probably look out for in 2025? Well, that is the Roth IRA. Now, here's a couple reasons. I'm going to go through a few today on why this account is so important to look at in 2025 for individuals of any age or income. Now, the first of 6 reasons you need to look into a Roth IRA for 2025 is that you can actively contribute to a Roth IRA even if you are already actively participating in a 401k. Now, as you know, a 401k is an employer sponsored retirement plan. That means it is set up by your employer. They have Roth and traditional versions, but it is set up through your employer. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account set up by you as an individual. There are less restrictions with individual IRAs, especially a Roth IRA, and they're just overall easier accounts to deal with and maintain when compared to a 401k. Now, a 401k is a great supplement. Again, they have Roth and traditional versions, and you contribute more to them than you can contribute to an IRA. But that is also why it is so important to look into an IRA, especially a Roth IRA, as early as you possibly can in life. 2025 is a great year to start. So reason number two why a Roth IRA is such an incredible account. Now, a Roth IRA is a retirement account classified by the IRS. Therefore, you can trade completely tax-free. As you know, with a regular brokerage account, you can't trade tax-free. When you sell a stock, ETF, mutual fund, bond, whatever it may be, you are taxed. In a Roth IRA, no matter what you sell, you can trade a million times in 1 year. You will not be taxed whatsoever. Bond interest, mutual fund capital gains distributions, dividends, everything in a Roth IRA comes at you completely tax free. It is such a big deal for saving for the long run. In a brokerage account, you are going to get hit with tax from all of those things I just said. But in a Roth IRA, you are not getting taxed until you take it out of the account incorrect. This point directly goes into benefit number three, which is tax-free withdrawals. Now, a Roth IRA is a post-tax retirement account. That means you get taxed before the money goes into the account. So when you take the money out, it is completely tax-free. There is no tax on it when you take it out at retirement since you put the money in post-tax. Being able to take money out tax-free from a Roth IRA is such a huge benefit in retirement. You don't have to worry about getting taxed in any way, shape, or form. With a traditional IRA, you would get taxed. A traditional IRA is a pre-tax account, meaning you don't get taxed on the way in, but you get taxed on the way out. Sometimes that makes sense, but a Roth IRA, being able to take money out at retirement tax-free, is such a huge benefit and such a mind easer just to make sure that you have your buying power all set up for you when you are retired. The fourth reason why it is so important to contribute to a Roth IRA over some other retirement accounts is that you can withdraw principal tax-free at any time. With some retirement accounts, you get hit with tax and penalty if you withdraw money, even if it's the money you put in before 59 and a half. But with a Roth IRA, you are able to take that money out whenever. If you put in $20,000, but the account's worth $40,000 and you want to buy a car when you're 30 years old for $20,000, you can take that $20,000 of principal out completely tax and penalty free no matter what age you are. The fifth reason why it is so important to contribute to a Roth IRA for 2025 is the contribution limit. For 2025, the most you can put into a Roth IRA is the lesser of 100% of your earned income or $7,000. Now, after age 50, you get a $1,000 catch up for a total of $8,000, but this is a very small amount. And to grow this account to be big enough for retirement, you have to contribute early and often and make sure you're taking advantage of that compounding interest. As a little example of compounding interest and being able to contribute to a Roth early and making sure you're taking full advantage. If you were to start contributing to a Roth IRA at age 20, maxing out at $7,000 a year at the beginning of each year, in 45 years at age 65 with a 9.5% rate of return, which is the S&P 500's average, you would have $4.7 million in that account from simply just a little bit of principal. The principal you actually would put in the account that would turn into the $4.7 million is only $315,000. But since you contributed early and often and taking full advantage of the Roth IRA, you would have $4.7 million tax free when you want to take it out at retirement. So, the last thing, the sixth reason on why Roth IRAs really separate themselves and are so important when planning for retirement is that they do not require required minimum distributions or RMDs. With a traditional IRA, with a 401k, the IRS forces you to take money out at retirement. Yes, you might think, I need this money anyways, so I can just take it out. Whatever, the RMDs aren't such a big deal. Well, they are. They make you take out more money than you might need. And also, if you want to give that money to your heirs and you don't need the money whatsoever, they still force you to take it out. But with a Roth IRA, you do not need to take RMDs. So if you want to save the money for your wife, your kids, whatever it may be, you can save it in there and you don't need to take money out. You can just let it go down to whatever heirs, whatever beneficiaries you want when you pass away. While with other retirement accounts, this isn't even an option. Now, those are the six big ones. Those are the big six reasons why you need to look into a Roth IRA for 2025. There are more limits and different contribution limits and different restrictions. But please check out my other videos. I have a video on all you need to know about Roth IRAs, how important they are, and the different limits that are associated with them, the different ways you can get taxed if you take money out too early, and all that good stuff. But please look into Roth IRAs. They are so important for building a successful retirement and building future wealth. I also have videos, guys, on the differences between a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA, a Roth 401k, and a traditional 401k, just to kind of help ease your process and ease your decision making, just to make sure you are picking the right type of account for you. However, definitely check those out. They're in the playlist on my profile. Make sure to like and subscribe as well. Drop any comments if you want any specific things answered with the video. Otherwise, check out the Facebook group Financial Education for Retirement. I run it. Certified financial planners are members willing to answer any questions you guys might have about financial planning, IRAs, estate planning, insurance planning, pretty much any possible question you have about personal financial planning at any time of the day. But have a good rest of your day, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.